acquitted after 37 years. There was a man named Alex, who lived with his wife in a large house located in a somewhat remote area. One day, Alex discovered that 3 of his neighbors, who were brothers, were trying to break into his house with the intent to steal. In a moment of tension, after Alex realized that the intruders were his neighbors, they decided to kill him, forcing Alex to use his weapon to defend himself, which resulted in their deaths. After the incident, Alex was put on trial for murder. Although the court found him not guilty on the grounds of self-defense, there were those who doubted this. The prosecution claimed that Alex had planned to take revenge on his neighbors due to previous disputes between them. Alex felt scared that these accusations might turn the case against him, prompting him to flee with his wife and hide in the basement of an abandoned house. But shortly after, his wife died in that basement, leaving Alex alone in isolation. He continued to go out at night to get food and water, then quickly returned to his hiding place without being noticed. Over time, he fell ill due to the harsh conditions he was living in. One day, a new family moved into the neighboring house, and when they heard strange noises from the basement, they decided to call the police. When the police found Alex, he told them his entire story. The police reviewed the case files and discovered the shocking fact that a new court had decided after the incident that his neighbors had planned the robbery and that he was innocent. He was astonished, but he had spent 37 years of his life hiding in an abandoned basement. Lessons and morals. 1. The importance of seeking the truth. The story highlights the importance of thorough investigation and considering all aspects of an incident before reaching a final judgment. 2. Caution in making judgments ***. Sometimes, hasty judgments can be wrong and lead to unfair outcomes. We must be careful in complex cases involving personal disputes. 3. Injustice can last a long time ***. Sometimes, the innocent suffer from injustice for a long time, as happened to Alex, and we must understand that justice must ultimately prevail.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.